Okay, we're gonna make a cup of this coffee from ground beans. It will grind the beans and then make the cup of coffee. So let's see how it works. I'm supposed to push the grinder button. Now it's beginning to brew. So we're going to have freshly ground coffee beans brewed into a freshly brewed cup of coffee. Let's see how this works out. It includes a 16-ounce insulated travel mug, and you can make up to 16 ounces or any variation in between. And you add more or less beans than recommended depending on what your taste is in coffee. I'm using whole bean Sumatra from coffee from the Attic Corner here in Green Bay, Wisconsin, that I bought specifically for this machine that I had ordered. And we'll see how this goes. If the coffee tastes good, I'll probably pretty much retire my Keurig, except if I have guests over, because the Keurig would be faster for that. But when I just want my coffee, I don't mind a little bit of a leisurely wait while I get freshly ground and brewed coffee. So I'm brewing about a 9-ounce cup. I was going to do 8, but I poured in a little bit more than 8 ounces of water. So I put in enough coffee beans for a 9-ouncer. The color of the coffee looks nice and dark as it comes out. You can see that coming out of there. And it's a permanent reusable, washable coffee filter basket that you use, so it should be pretty easy cleanup. It's called the PowerXL. And this little thing right here is a little flip-down platform for if you use a regular size mug or cup, you can put it on there. But when you use the big travel mug, we just flip this up out of the way so it can hold the travel mug. So far, it smells awesome, and like I say, the color of the brew looks about right for my taste. So we'll see how we're doing here. It's almost done, and when it's done, it's supposed to beep and let you know it's done. So we'll see if it beeps and lets me know. I ordered this on Amazon, so if you're looking for it, again, it's the PowerXL. And I also took a picture of the box that I'll include in the post with this so you can see what it is. I'm expecting the beeps any second now here. So He's still doing the last gurgling of the water. There are the beeps. So the brew is done. It looks like coffee. I'll flip the camera around here so we can see me taking my first taste of the brew. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. Oh, that is some good coffee. I think we have a winner here, folks. I think we have a winner.